Yay, so excited, got my mini photo studio. Okay, let's try. Oh, oh, it's already broken. What should I do? So I just switch the back LED. I just take off this thing like this one. Okay, I just take off the back LED and I will switch to the front. Okay, wait, hold on for a moment now. I just slowly pull out the back LED because it is stick with the tape. Okay, already take out. Then I'll move to the front. Okay, I'll move to the front LED there. Then stick here. Then the front LED I will switch to the back. So it's easier for me lah. Okay. Okay, so right now I will stick at the back. Use the front LED. I will stick at the back there. Oops. Yeah. Okay, make sure it's in good position. Okay, I'll take it off the tape first, the LED, then make sure it's stick well. It's in a good position. Okay. Then the side there, make sure it's like okay lah, it's in good condition. And then I test with the power bank for the lightning. And there, it's done. See? Still can shine like normal. Then I plug out. Then I plug in again to test and see. Make sure it's in good condition and it's not broken on the port there where you can plug in the LED, and that's all.